we're back again, the Computer Guy channel, for another. And as you guys can tell, I have something in my hands here. So we had from MoveSpeed, we had the Light Pro. Yes, Bubba, it was called the Light Pro, if you remember. Yeah, well, he remembers. So this time we've got the Energy Cube here. We go Energy Cube. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Not quite as cool packaging as the other one, but that's okay. That's okay. This one was a little bit cheaper, so that's okay. Okay, oh. There we go. Okay, now we got this guy. Okay, I probably should have gotten the plastic off like I did the other one, but that's okay. Energy Cube. It is still pretty nice packaging, though. It's better than what I've been mostly getting. It seems like most of the stuff I've been getting has been just plain brown boxes or brown boxes with just like, oh my goodness, this box is so slippery. Oh my goodness. It's so let me describe this. This is very like slippery kind of material. You can probably see a little bit there. Slippery. Well, it goes all the way into here. So trying to pull that out is not the bestest of things. But yeah, here we go. Alrighty, so we got a box here. Oh, yep, no, and then we probably just slide it out of this one here. There we go. Yep, that's empty. And we got the manual. Oh, and lots of things. What do we got? Specifications. Something about the display. I wonder if this. Whoa! Apparently we were going for a ride. Anyways, yeah, got. I like. Really nice manual, and then we got some tips here. Lots of tips cards. I don't know why we need 4 of them. I guess just in case you have one, and then you let your brother borrow the battery pack. You probably give him, then your sister, and then your sister-in-law, and then your cousin, and then grandpa. Yeah. Anyways, we got a cable here. Let's see. Nope, this one's not the same as the other one. It's just a regular Type-C. Where are we at? Oh, it looks purple. That's kind of cool. Type-C, and this is Type-A. There we go. And then in the plastic, very tightly. There we go. Very nice, very nice. And another sleeve. All of this stuff. And there we go. We got, just like the other one, we got 3 USB-A's and then 2, well, that's a Type-C, that's a micro. And I'm not sure. I kind of read a little bit on the box. I believe micro is how you charge it, but it looks like Type-C is also another way. So I don't know if maybe this one is similar to the other one where you can actually use maybe both of them at the same time to charge. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it there. Maybe with the glare. Yeah. You can kind of see how much it's charged up to. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it very well, but it looks like if you look in the Type-C, very faintly tell that there's 2 like metal. I don't know if it just didn't have a very good coating over it. I don't know. We'll take a look at that more. Plugging stuff in, how well everything holds up. Yeah, so stay tuned for the review of that. I'm interested to see how well these guys do. Hopefully we get good results out of these guys. As always, stay charged, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.